This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Office, Com or OneDrive and signing in with your Microsoft account. Once signed in, click New and select PowerPoint to create a presentation or choose Open to edit an existing file. Name your file right away so autosave tracks changes. Make sure to pick a template or blank slide based on your goal. Template speed design, while blank gives full control. As you create the first slide, you'll add a title and subtitle, so structure is set from the start. You'll add new slides with the New Slide menu and pick a layout that matches content needs. Once slides are in place, insert images, icons, or charts with the Insert tab to communicate data visually. Use design ideas to generate consistent styling quickly, and apply a theme or edit the slide master to enforce fonts and colors across slides. Make sure to add transitions sparingly for flow. As you work, use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+D to duplicate and speed up repeated formatting tasks. You'll finalize by running slideshow to check timing and alignment, rehearse timings or record narration if you need voiceover. Once satisfied, click Share to invite collaborators, set view or edit permissions, and copy a link. Make sure to check link expiration and access settings. If offline delivery is required, download as PPTX or export to PDF, selecting compatibility or embed fonts where necessary. If something goes wrong, refresh the browser and check autosave status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.